So this project is going to be a colored pencil project where you are inspired by the artist Rob Foote with samples from the lab, which is a series that he created of artwork. So what does he do? This is an example of one of his artworks. He takes a scientific approach to art where he combines two or more objects to create a new creature that seems somewhat realistic or that it could exist in real life. In some of his examples, he also takes notes to enhance his composition. So here you see a mosquito that has some volume in it so that it could actually measure the blood that it is taking. So in here, he has like, it would be like a log if he was experimenting and just looking and analyzing this creature, which I think is a really neat thing that just enhances it instead of just having the object floating by itself without any examples of what it might be doing. These are a few other ones. So this is just one where it's showing a crayfish biological dissection. So what it would look like if you cut one in half, showing just the scientific side of what art could be. And then this is Hopcorn by Rob Foote. So he combined a bunny and popcorn to create Hopcorn. So it has some characteristics of a bunny. So obviously it has that cute nose. It has all the features that a rabbit would have, shows some hopping. It has ears. It has whiskers. But instead of it being fully fluffy, it has a little bit more angular areas to make it look like a piece of popcorn. So he came up with a name for it, Hopcorn, obviously hop for bunny, corn for popcorn, and created something completely new. He's also similar. I feel like his style is very similar to a more surrealistic style. So here we have his chili dog, uh, dachshund combined with a chili pepper. So he has the front part of the dachshund, he has the tail, and then he has a lot of the coloring of a pepper and also the shape and just shine that they have. And I compared it to Salvador Dali's lobster phone. So Dali didn't draw um, creatures like he did in this example. He actually just combined a lobster with a telephone to create something new that's a little bit odd. So all of these and the ones that you make, it doesn't have to make sense. It's just kind of weird and out there and just goofy. So now I want you to talk with the people at your group about this one. So this is a crab apple. How can you tell that this is a combination of a crab and an apple? So what characteristics, I want you to maybe make a list of 2 or 3 things from each. What characteristics did he include from the crab and what characteristics did he include from an apple? And then I want you to think about why he chose this. So why do you think he chose these specific things to combine? And did he do it successfully? Was his composition successful? So now I want you to pause this video and talk as a group and do everything that I just said. So you've probably seen something like this before in a movie. Honestly, one of my favorite movies. I think it's hysterical. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs too. So when you're done watching this video, I want you to go to this slide and just watch through it. It gives some great examples of how different animals and foods can be combined to create something new, and it's just very cheesy. So now I want you to go and watch this video, and then we're going to explain the actual project that you are going to be doing in the next one.